Hi, lovely people. I made this hair with less than $4. Yes, you heard me right. With less than $4, I was able to achieve this bone straight using Lush extension. So all I did was to cut it into three, then pull the ends, and this is where the magic begins. I don't know how I explain this, but you just get a little portion, then you go in between the line, then you knot. Just look at. I don't know how I explain this, but it's very simple to do. All right. So after doing this, after taking my time to do this, I went in to brush. After brushing it, I dipped inside hot water. Again, I dip it inside hot water so that it will straighten. Like that I want it to be very straight before going in with my stretcher. So inside the hot water, I poured and deep conditioner in it. So that's what is inside. Then after that, I had to go in with my hand dryer to air, to fasten the whole thing. So I had to go in with my hand. So I had to go in with this. But in the absence of this, you can allow it to stay for 24 hours so that the whole thing will come down. You understand? So allow this to dry up. After drying up, then all I did was to go. So here, okay, I started ventilating my hair because this thing has two pattern, but I prefer doing this. So I ventilated my hair to get this neat finishing. Do you get? So after doing this, I dip this one to inside the hot water so as to straighten it very well. And that's all. So here I started sewing in my attachments. You can see I first of all secured my closure. Then I went in to start sewing. Why I use the chalk on it is to get this to know what I'm actually doing. That's why I went in with my chalk. And that is all. This thing is very simple to do. There's no stress in doing it. The only thing that took me time was when I was ventilating. Aside that, the whole process is very easy. Then I started stretching. So I applied this deep conditioner. Then I went in to start stretching my hair. So this is all. And if you are walking, please walk with smaller section. Don't rush your walk. Just take your time. Like guys, take your time. Don't mind my voice. I'm having cold. So that's all I did. And guys, I know you can't wait for the final results. So guys, and here is the final result. I hope you guys love this. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop your comments. So share so that others can benefit. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next one. Bye.